we've been really focused on designing robots that clean the best that they could, but now we wanted to take it a step beyond and clean the way you would.
We want to make your life easier. That's the whole point of what we do.
We designed a new front-facing camera, a wedge-detect bumper.
It recognizes when there's obstacles, it avoids them, and keeps on cleaning.
What makes J7 really special is the digital experiences.
And so that really offers a lot of freedom for a user, and I think it's something that's very important and very valuable to our customers.
We never stop innovating. We push the boundaries and strive to be better. We bring you tomorrow's robots today. DEEBOT X1 Omni, the brand new all-in-one DEEBOT from ECOVACS. Okay, Eco, let's get to know my home.
Okay, I am coming. I am creating the map for your home now.
The Pioneer IV3D, enhanced recognition capability, equipped with supercomputing power, achieving accurate obstacle avoidance at home.
Mapping is complete. Please check the app. I will keep learning and improving by updating obstacle avoidance data. More efficient every time.
Okay, Eco, follow my voice.
No problem. I will start cleaning now.
The exclusive 4-stage deep cleaning system with 5,000 paw suction power. The second generation of Osmo Turbo technology. Scrub away tough coffee stains, even after 72 hours. Unleash the ultimate cleaning power. A masterpiece perfectly crafted by Jacob Jensen Design. The all-in-one Omni station can automatically refill water, wash and dry mop cloths, and empty the dust bin.
The DEEBOT automatically refills its water tank. Start cleaning mopping pads. Start emptying the dustbin.
DEEBOT X1 Omni. Finally, a truly hands-free cleaning experience.